Hello friends, welcome back to True Tutorials. Okay, in last video we have seen exercise 1.3. In this video we are going to see exercise 1.4. We are going to start exercise 1.4. If you have not seen the last video, the link is given in the description. You can go and see that video. Okay, before going to exercise 1.4, first we'll revise what is irrational numbers. In last video we have seen what is a rational number. Rational number should be in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. Okay, and terminating decimal and non-terminating repeating decimals are rational numbers we have seen. Now we are going to see irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are not in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and p comma q are integers. P comma q are integers. Okay, irrational numbers are that are not in the form of p by q, and where q is not equal to 0, p by q are positive integers, we can say. Okay, so what are the examples of irrational number? Irrational numbers are also known as, first we'll see, irrational numbers are also known as, it is called as non-terminating comma non-repeating numbers. Irrational numbers are also called as non-terminating and repeating decimal numbers. For example, we have seen root 2. Root 2 is an irrational number. Why we can say it is irrational number? Because what is the value of root 2? 1.414 so on. Okay, it is not terminating also and it is not repeating also, so this number is called as a irrational number. Next, pi is also irrational number. It is pi values 3.141 so on, it will go. All the roots of prime numbers, all the roots of prime numbers, all the roots of prime numbers are what? Irrational numbers. For example, root 5, root 7, this all numbers are non-terminating and they are not repeating also, so these numbers are called as irrational numbers. Now we will be seeing the exercise 1.4. First question, prove that following are irrational. Okay, so first question is given as one by root 2. We have to prove 1 by root 2 is a irrational number. First, before proving that, we will assume, let us assume that 1 by root 2 is a root 2 is rational. First we will take 1 by root 2 as a rational number. Okay, then if it is a rational number, then there exist co-prime numbers, co-prime positive integers a and b. What is co-prime? Co-prime numbers are the numbers, prime numbers means which has 1 as its factor and number itself. Co-prime numbers are which has common factor 1. Co-prime numbers are numbers which has common factors as 1. Okay, so a and b are co-prime positive integers. Okay, then what we can say, if you are saying these numbers are if 1 by 2 we are assuming as 1 by 2 as a rational number, then we can say 1 by root 2 equals to a by b. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q. Okay, so we have taken this. What we are doing, we will send root 2 this side, no, a b this side. What we'll do cross multiplication here. Okay, so b will be here, a root 2 will be getting cross multiplication we are doing here. Okay, so then I'll send this a this side and root 2 will be here only, so it will become b by a. Understood? I'm sending 2, I'm keeping root 2 here only, then I'm sending b here. So what we can see here as 4, a and b are integers, comma b by a is rational. Why it is a rational? Because it is in the form of p by p. You can see it is in the form of p by q. When this number is a rational number, so this also will become rational because these two are equal to each other. So root 2 is a rational. Okay, when this is a rational number, this also will become a rational number. How? What we have assumed, by that we are saying that. Okay, but in real, what is root 2? Root 2 is a irrational number. Therefore you can say that what we have assumed is not correct. Hence what we can say, this contradicts, means that this is not true, contradicts the fact that root 2 is what? Irrational. Therefore 1 by root 2 is irrational. One more time we'll see. We have assumed that first we'll assume, we have seen that this is a rational number. We have assumed when it is a rational number, then there will be two integers, that as a and b we have taken. Rational numbers will be in the form of p by q. We have taken that. We have did cross multiplication. So this is in the form of p by q. So this number will become a rational number when it is equal to root 2. Root 2 is also a rational number by our assumption it is. But in real, root 2 is a irrational number. Okay, so what we have assumed is a wrong. Therefore we can say 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Okay, next we'll be seeing second one, root 3 plus root 5. Okay, so let us, same we have to do, let us assume that root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Okay, then when it is rational, then there exist co-prime positive integers. A and b. Okay, I said you what is a co-prime number? The common factor which has 1. Okay, prime numbers are, you can say the example of 2 and 3, they are co-prime number. Okay, 3 and 5 you can take. So when it is that, root 3 plus root 5 will be equals to a by b, that is p by q. Okay, so now what we are doing, will be sending this root 3 that side, a by b minus root 3, this is positive here. If you're sending this side, it will become negative. Now what we are doing, we are squaring here. Okay, we will be doing here squaring on both sides. Okay, root 5 whole square is equals to a by b minus root 3 whole square. ठीक है, root 5 whole square what is, that is root 5 whole square means you can, it will come what, 5 will be your answer. How this can be written as 2 and this can be this will get cancelled, left over is 5. Okay, so this will become 5, this will get cancelled and 5 will be left here, and this is a minus b whole square. ठीक है, so a square minus 2, what is a, 2a and b plus b square, that is root 3 whole square. 5 is equals to a square by b square minus 2ab by root 3 plus, sorry this is square, plus 3, root 3 whole square is 3. Okay, so what we'll be doing here, we want root 3 to be on this side and left over all to be, root 3 should be at RHS side, left hand side, and at RHS side left, whatever will be there that should be there. Okay, so what we'll do, first we will send this whole this side, okay, and we'll send 5 this side, 2 a by b to root 3, because we want on this side root 3, so we are sending this, where is root 3, in this term we have root 3, so we are sending this side. So a square by b square plus 3 minus 5 will come this side. Okay, so what this will become, this will become minus 2 a by b root 3 is equals to a square by b square is equals to minus 2 it will become. Okay, so what I am doing, I am sending, what I'll do here, first I'll send so what I'll do, first I'll simplify this, 2 by ab root 3, that is a square minus 2b square by b square. How we got this? We are doing the LCM, that will, if the LCM is b square, this b square will go here and 1 will go here, that is a square into 1 is 1 and 2b square. Okay, now what I will do, 2 root 3, and I'll send this a by b this side. When I'll send a by b this side, it will become opposite. So a square minus 2b square by b square into, okay, so b will come up, a will go down, because it will become opposite. Okay, so it will become opposite. So what we will be getting, again what we'll do here, we'll multiply this. Okay, so 2 root 3 equals to, again what I am doing, a square minus 2b square by b square into b by a. Okay, so what I will send this to also this side, 2 root 3. So what, this b will get cancelled and this 1b will get cancelled, so one only b is left here. Okay, so what it will become, a square minus 2b square by ab, because this b and 1, this was b square, so this b and 1, this will be cancelled. So root 3 is equals to a square minus 2b square by 2ab, because this 2 I have sent this side. When it is multiplying, if I am sending this side, it will become what, division. Okay, so root 3 is equals to, what we got, root 3 is equals to a square minus 2b square by 2ab. So what we can say, we say a comma b are integers, and this a square minus 2b square by 2ab is rational number. because it is in the form of p by q. When you are saying this is a rational number, this also will become rational number, root 3, therefore root 3 is rational. But by our assumption, root 3 is a rational number, but in real, root 3 is not a rational number, because we have seen that all the squares of prime numbers, this is a prime, root 3 is a prime number, all the square roots of prime numbers are irrational numbers. Okay, so this contradicts, means the what we have assumed is a false, the fact that root 3 is irrational. So by that we can say that the what we have assumed is false, therefore root 3 is irrational. When root 3 is irrational, so therefore what we can say, hence root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, so we'll see the next question. That is 6 plus root 2. Okay, so in this what we have to do, same we have to do solution. Let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is rational. Then there exist co-prime positive integers. Integers a and b. Okay, then it will become 6 plus root 2 is equals to a by b. Okay, so root 2 I'll keep here, I'll send a by b minus 6. Okay, so root 2 is equals to a minus 6b by b, because I took LCM. B will go this side, cross multiplication you can say. B will go this side, 1 will go here. Okay, so it has become a, so a minus 6b by b. So this we can see that a and b are integers, positive integers, comma a minus 6b comma b is what? Rational. Why? It is in the form of p by q. So by our assumption we can say that root 2 is also rational, but you know that root 2 is not a rational number, so this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. What we have assumed is wrong, but because of our assumption we are getting root 2 as rational. That is not right. In real sense it is root 2 is an irrational number, but because of our assumption we are getting root 2 as rational. So what we can say, therefore when root 2 is irrational, 6 plus root 2 will also become, we have assumed 6 plus root 2 is rational, so it opposite to, if we are assumed is rational, when you are getting our answer wrong, then the opposite of rational is irrational. Therefore 6 plus 2 is irrational. Okay, so we have seen 3 questions. 4th and 5th and 2nd will be seeing in the next video. So if you like, if you have any comments related to this video, please let me, if you have any doubts in this video, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, and please support our channel, share these videos to your friends. Okay, So stay tuned to see the next. We will be coming up with the next video. Thank you.